Alright, so after we clean it, we're gonna add some hot water. Alright, enough to cover the meat. We'll just have to let it sit in the hot water. Alright, so we're going with garlic, pimento seed, ginger. We're going with some adobo, all purpose. Alright, so we're not using a pigtail, so you can't use enough for this. We're going with some paprika. Look at turmeric. Just a little bit. Some I think more use a little of this. Alright. I'm gonna rub in this now. I think about putting some green seeds in it, but I don't know. I don't know for the green seeds have all kind of something I think I want, you know, the stew peas. So that's why I kind of hesitate. You know? Alright, so this is what we have. So I'm gonna refrigerate this until tomorrow. Alright, we're going with some oil. I'm gonna add a little sugar. Whenever you both oil burn, alright, I'm gonna make that big thing. My stove turned up and I'm late for the cooking. I woke late this morning. Alright, so I'm gonna show it this now. Once you get a desired color, you're gonna go in with your peas. I'm gonna also go in with some coconut milk. It's about 2 cups. So we're going with 1 cup of flour. I'm going to use some cornmeal. Maybe like 2 spoonful of cayenne, pinch of salt. Just combine everything. Alright, and some warm water. Go in a small amount gradually. Take your time. Alright, grab a glove. And just squeeze everything together. She said, take it easy, I will do the work. Till the dumpling feels nice. That's it. Scallion, just cut mine in a tree just to make my life a little easier. So good to me, I can't complain. You know, my mind think about something. That's why I said that loud a while ago. Oh Lord. Yeah. Thyme. Pepper. So I'm gonna pierce the pepper. So you can get this heat out of it. If you just put it in without pierce it, you just get the flavor from the pepper, not the spice. If you want the spice, you can cut it up or pierce it, and you get it. So. Alright, we are putting the dumpling them now. Just rub it together like this. Alright, so we're going and just put in a couple of them. You know, kind of little bit of flour this one make, cause I get my big dumpling out of this. I just want the spinners alone. A little bit of dumpling this. As I said that a while ago, I remember the song said na 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 kilometer now na 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 kilometer it's high kilometer now Just because you know you're not blow, it's I. But why you skin your teeth and make me see it? But me sure say you're born. You make me know that in the comment section who sing the song there. As a Jamaican. And you never yet complain, say you do it. You make a vow, you not answer to you. And a one man or something, you jojo. You make a vow, make a guy know. Tell them to move them low. Again, it's I. Kill them with it now. Boy, not to hear them song. Push your mom, so. Come here, okay. Alright, we're gonna save the rest of camera, not footage, space, and I'll be back. Alright, we're going with the thyme, pepper, scallion. Alright, there we go. Combine this. I like to use a spatula because it more treat them more, meat them more delicate, that meat them now break up. It's more delicate on the meat. Alright, it helps the meat to not break up too much. Alright, I'm gonna add some pimento seed to it, not because I have to, but because I like to see the pimento seed in the stew piece pot. Alright, and we're gonna finish slow cook this. Alright, so we are going to taste the pot now. Alright. Alright. Oh, look at me, never just going to add no salt. Would I do? Anyway, I add a little piece of chiffon butter just because. Can't do too much because it's not fresh at all. Alright, so we're going with a little piece of chiffon butter. I'm gonna go in with some black pepper. So back to banana use here. Alright, I don't have to go crazy. And then we'll just combine this. Right, as soon as this thick, I eat that. Okay. Not much in the package. We can add a little pepper. Take a look at this. Alright, once this starts get thick, done. This is I can't lift up now. Pierce the pepper. I don't know why it stand up like a monster the same way. Probably I've got to put an next hole in it. Alright, better.
And guys, this is the dish. Guys, don't remember, if you have made it this far, don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button. Guys, don't forget to give me a like, leave a comment, support these videos. I do appreciate you guys so much, and I'll definitely see you guys in another video. Stew Peas lover, I know you're gonna enjoy this one. Take care. Later. Bye, guys.